Welcome back. You're watching Market Fatafat, a show where we discuss all the stocks buzzing based on news flow as well as on technicals. And on technicals now, we have Nirav Chheda joining us on the show. Very good afternoon to you, Nirav. Thank you so much for joining us on ET Now. And the first stock that you're flagging off is Coal India, which is among the top gainers on the Nifty today. We've seen the markets actually slip, or rather Nifty slip below the 19,900 mark just a short while ago. But Coal India, firm going?
Hi everyone, and thank you for having me again. Coal India, very importantly, a very good breakout has come in. This is about a 4-yearly breakout, and this has come above the 270 odd levels. I believe that has been retested, and now the stock has again started to move up. This can be one of the defensives while Nifty is going down. So I would suggest, those stocks, those PSUs which have not performed that much and are good defensive stocks, good dividend paying stocks, you can buy those. So buy Coal India at current levels. 275 should be your stop loss. There is a good chance that this stock comes up towards the 320, 325 odd levels.
Surely keeping an eye on those levels for Coal India. But let's move on, talk about JSW Energy today. This one is in focus on the back of a brokerage note that's coming from Jefferies, where they're maintaining a buy rating given a target price of 500 rupees per share. The previous target price is 365 rupees per share. So a sharp increase in terms of the target price they've given as well. Now what they believe is that JSW Energy, the niche private sector renewable energy play, will work out well for JSW Energy. There's a visibility improving in the RE moving to 81% of the capacity by FY30 is what they're expecting from 52% currently in FY23. Commissioning of the 700 megawatt of merchant capacity in peak power deficit times will be something that will work out well for the company. And other than that, the progress on one of India's first hydrogen plants and energy storage battery unit is also something that they are watching out for. So on the back of that, they're positive on JSW Energy. And today you can see the stock is buzzing in trade. Yes, given up those morning highs, but still managing to hold on to gains for 2.5%.
Alright, moving on then, let's talk about Praj. And why is Praj in focus? Because you have a brokerage note that's come out on Praj. You have Prabhudas Lilladher, which has come out with their recommendation on that particular counter, where they've actually gone ahead and cut the stock to accumulate from a buy rating. And the target price that they've set is around 618 rupees per share, which is just approximately about 6% higher than the last closing price. But as you can see it on your screen, the stock is now hovering around 578 odd rupees, and you have Prabhudas Lilladher that's gone ahead, downgraded the stock to an accumulate rating from a buy rating. So watch out for this particular counter.
Let's move on and talk about HEG and Graphite. Harsh, why are both these stocks in focus today?
HEG Graphite largely in focus because you're seeing the fact that Tata Steel has added capacity to has added steel making capacity. In fact, what they have done is they've added a new electric arc furnace plant, which will of course boost demand for graphite, of course, among other metals as well, and therefore what you're seeing is some amount of positivity on HEG as well as graphite, both graphite manufacturers in trade today.
Alright, moving on, Nirav, let's talk about Bayer Crop Sciences. How is this one looking on the charts to you? Do you think it's an attractive bet to play at this point in time? Because 31% in the last 6 months, but it's not that much, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely in the last 2 years, the stock has done nothing. In fact, it has come down from 6,500 to, about 4,000 odd, and then again now about the 5,000 levels. This stock has witnessed a breakout. Just recently, a downward sloping trendline breakout has come in, and the breakout is coming around that 5,000 odd levels. The stock is now consolidating in the last 2 weeks, but I believe this stock should be bought at current levels. The breakout was with volumes and after a gap of 2 years. So definitely this stock can move up now above the 6,000 odd levels. So look to buy the stock at current levels. 5,000 should be your stop loss. Around 6,000, 6,200 should be your target.
Okay, 6,000, 6,200 is something that we should keep an eye out on targets for Bayer Corp over there. But let's move on and talk about Bharat Dynamics. So Amakshi, why is this one in focus today?
Well, this stock is in focus after the company has signed a 291 crore contract, and this has been done in order to supply surface-to-air missiles to the Indian Air Force. Now, keep in mind that the orders were 291 crores, like I pointed out, and in fact, earlier this week. Very recently, the DSC had approved capital acquisition proposals of nearly 45,000 crores, and that in fact included Dhruvastra short-range air-to-surface missiles, which was a big positive for Bharat Dynamics. And in fact, we did see the company report a signing of its contract with the Indian Air Force recently. So on the back of this news flow, we do have Bharat Dynamics in focus today. As of now, the stock is trading flat, but definitely that is a positive news flow for this counter.
All right, that is Bharat Dynamics for you. That is actually trading subdued in today's trading session, no doubt, but the news flow is positive for the company. Let's talk about ONGC now, Nirav. We did highlight OMCs earlier in the show, but ONGC, what are the negative factors for OMCs? In fact, are positive ones coming in for ONGC. But on the charts, what are the positives like?
So ONGC, one look at the stock, and the volumes that have gone in the stock have been terrific. The stock really hasn't performed much in spite of such a good pattern. So I believe it is more like a Coal India, which is
I think we've lost connection with Nirav. We'll get back with him. But, let's move on and talk about the next stock that we're keeping on our radar, and that is NBCC. Now, this stock is in focus today after the company is bagged an order worth around 150 crores, and this is from the Khadi and Village Industry Commission. The order includes planning, designing and execution of the upcoming works, such as construction of office buildings, residential campuses, redevelopment, repair and renovation of other KVIC properties pan-India. So, on the back of this, today we're keeping an eye out on NBCC. It's trading with gains of around 1.7% as of now as well.
All right, moving on, Vamakshi, let's talk about SJVN. What's the news flow supporting the move for this particular counter in today's trading session?
And is in focus today. The stock is soaring in the trading session today, and in fact, it is up 5.5% as you can see on your screen, and that is because the company has signed a memorandum of understanding with PFC, and this is for financial assistance to various diversified portfolio of projects. Now this includes majorly renewable energy projects and thermal generation projects, which will be set up at a total project cost of about 1.18 lakh crore. The term loan financial assistance is tentatively proposed at nearly 70% of the project cost, and this could be actually increased for renewable energy projects as per the project requirements. So given that signing of an MOU between SJVN as well as PFC, we have SJVN in focus. The stock is up nearly 5.6%, and even PFC for that matter is gaining momentum in the trading session today.
Surely keeping an eye out on that. But the Mirror Now Summit Chhattisgarh edition is going on, where Dr. Alok Shukla, Principal Secretary at Chhattisgarh's Educational Renaissance, Nurturing Minds, Shaping Futures, is talking about all of that over there. Let's go cross and listen in.
हम लोग कोशिश ये करते हैं, देखिए इन ए गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम आप फाइनेंशियल एडवांटेज किसी को दे नहीं सकते, आप आउट ऑफ टर्न प्रमोशंस नहीं दे सकते, तो आप कर क्या सकते हैं? एक चीज कर सकते हैं आप, रिकॉग्निशन। हम लोगों ने कोशिश ये करना शुरू की कि टीचर्स की ट्रेनिंग भी करें। ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग होती थी उस वक्त, क्योंकि ऑफलाइन ट्रेनिंग पे तो पूरी तरह से बैन था, और टीचर्स आपस में मिलें, बात करें, और फिर जो टीचर अच्छा करते थे, तो हमने जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अपने जो मैंने आपको बताया पढ़ाई तुम्हारे द्वार का पोर्टल था, उसमें एक श्रृंखला शुरू करी, हमारे नायक। एवरी डे वन टीचर वुड बी द हीरो ऑफ द डे। It would be either a male or a female, it doesn't matter, hero of the day, और उनकी पिक्चर डाल करके वो हम लोग करते हैं। आज भी चल रहा है कि उन्होंने क्या बढ़िया काम किए हैं जिससे कि शिक्षा में बढ़ोतरी हुई है। जस्ट
एंड आई टेल यू सर, बहुत मोटिवेट करता है, बिकॉज मेरी माँ, मेरी मदर खुद टीचर रही हैं, तो मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि ये टीचर को किस लेवल की मोटिवेशन देता है जब आप एक उनके गुड इनिशिएटिव्स को, उनके बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस को पब्लिकली एनकरेज कर रहे हैं और अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, मैंने देखा कि बहुत सारे टीचर्स उसी का स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर के अपने फेसबुक पे भी डाल रहे हैं, अपने इंस्टा पे डाल रहे हैं। कई लोगों के जो जर्नलिस्ट से दोस्ती है, तो वो उसी का स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर के उन्होंने अखबारों में भी छपवाया, तो दे एक्चुअली फील गुड। तो इसी तरह की छोटी छोटी चीजें।
Okay, so coming to Swami Atmanand English Medium School, जिसके बारे में आपने mention किया, this is a unique initiative. What is the vision behind this? ये क्यों शुरू किया गया? Students को क्या लाभ मिलते हैं इससे? And what do students gain for the betterment of their life and in facing the society in future?
देखिए, ये जो इनिशिएटिव है, मैं बिल्कुल बिना लाग लपेट के कहना चाहता हूँ, ये छत्तीसगढ़ के मुख्यमंत्री जी का इनिशिएटिव। एक दिन हम लोग सब बैठे थे, डिपार्टमेंट का रिव्यू चल रहा था, और जैसे यूजुअल होता है, हम लोगों ने बताया इतने स्कूल खोले, इतने टीचर किए, ये सब। तो मुख्यमंत्री जी ने बीच में टोका। उन्होंने कहा, भाई तुम जो स्कूल खोलते हो वो सिर्फ ऐसे लोगों के लिए खोलते हो जो स्कूल नहीं जाते? क्या ऐसा कोई स्कूल खुलेगा जहां पे आईएएस अफसरों के बच्चे पढ़े, आईपीएस अफसरों के बच्चे पढ़े, जजों के बच्चे पढ़े, बड़े बिजनेसमैन के बच्चे पढ़े सरकारी स्कूल में? ऐसा कर सकते हो तो बताओ। तो अब हम सब लोगों ने कहा कि नहीं साहब, ये अगर मुख्यमंत्री जी ऐसी चीज कह रहे हैं तो हमने कहा जरूर करके दिखाएंगे, लेकिन हमको आप ये मौका दीजिए कि हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा करें, कुछ उसमें पैसे मिल जाए, टीचर्स अच्छे करें, सिफारिशी टीचर ना आए। तो बिटवीन यू, मैं आज पहली बार आपको बता रहा हूं, मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कहा मेरी सिफारिश नहीं होगी कभी। और मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूं कि उसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किए वो स्कूल्स जहां पर प्रिंसिपल्स अच्छे थे, और उनसे कहा कि भाई आपको एक फ्री हैंड है, पूरा आप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे, बेस्ट पॉसिबल लेबोरेटरीज, बेस्ट पॉसिबल लाइब्रेरी। और हमने कहा कि भाई आप लाइब्रेरी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ आप प्रतियोगी परीक्षा की किताबें होंगी। वाई नॉट हैरी पॉटर, वाई नॉट अगाथा क्रिस्टी, वाई नॉट एनिट ब्लाइटन? हमारी लाइब्रेरीज में आपको ये सब मिलेगा कि बच्चे अगर जिसको पढ़ने में, मेरे बेटे ने अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीखी हैरी पॉटर से, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं। वाई नॉट? तो इसको ओपन कर दिया। उसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि हमारे टीचर्स भी बहुत अच्छे ढंग से कर रहे हैं, बच्चे भी बहुत अच्छे ढंग से कर रहे हैं। आज हमारा एक रिपोर्ट कार्ड बनता है बच्चों का, जिसको
All right, and that was Dr. Alok Shukla, who's the Principal Secretary at Chhattisgarh, talking about Chhattisgarh's educational renaissance, also talking about nurturing minds, shaping the futures of the children in Chhattisgarh. But on that note, we slip into a break on this edition of Market Fatafat. Stay tuned, more on the other side, don't go anywhere.
Welcome back, and you're watching Market Fatafat on ET. Now let's keep it going with all the stocks that are buzzing in trade. And Nina, we picked out Kirloskar oil for us. In terms of the charts, what is the indication now you're picking up for Kirloskar oils? Should we expect the run-up that we've seen in the last couple of months to continue?
Very good consolidation has gone in this stock, and I believe this stock is now ready for another up move. It is up today, but it might just take another couple of days before it starts its up move. But it's a good time to add this stock at current levels. Look to buy the stock here. The overall setup is positive. It can go up towards that 550 odd band, and it is right now available at 485. Buy it with a stop loss of around 465.
All right, coming back to you, Nirav, once again, then you have picked out NOSIL then. Why is this one on your list again?
See, for today and for the next few days, I was looking for stocks which are basically a little defensive, which haven't moved up or have just broken out. So this is one stock which has just broken out. It is retesting its breakout. Its breakout was around that 235 odd band. It is just near about the same level now. So this stock, once that retest happens, this stock is ready to move up now above the 300 odd level. So look to buy this stock here. It's at a very good price. Good consolidation has gone in, and then a good breakout with volumes. So buy it here. Your stop loss should be 225, and you can expect your first target in the near term to come around that 265 to 70 band. But overall, it should go up over 300 if you're holding.
Okay, and thank you so much today, Neera, for joining in with us, as well as Harsh, as well as Vamakshi for joining in with us on Fatafat. That was the last talk for today that we will be taking. But let's go across to the Mirana Summit at Chhattisgarh. We have Anand Kumar Sai, chairman at CSIDC, who's talking about empowering tribes in Chhattisgarh, tribalizing approach to tribal welfare and development, and all those topics that is they are covering. So let's go across and listen in.
जो जंगलों में जड़ी बूटियां हैं वो चिकित्सा आज भी चलाते हैं। और आपको बताते हुए मुझे प्रसन्नता हो रही है एक कापसी जगह है, जैसे किसी का कहीं एक्सीडेंट हो गया, पैर में फ्रैक्चर हो गया, तो ये मेडिकल साइंस में अस्पताल में पट्टी बंधवाने के बजाय वो कापसी चले जाते हैं। और वो जो हथजोड़ कोई जड़ी है, और भी कई जड़ियां हैं जिसको सीधा करके और अच्छा हड्डी कहीं टेढ़ा उढ़ा मत हो, और उस जड़ी को पीस करके उसमें बांध दिया जाता है, वो 2.5 दिन में हड्डी जुड़ जाती है।
अच्छा।
हाँ, गारंटी के साथ। तो ये जो जड़ी बूटियों की चिकित्सा है, उसको और आगे बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है। ये जो आज का ये मेडिकल साइंस है, उससे कहीं ज्यादा उन्नत है ये गांव में, शहर, देहातों में, जंगलों में, ट्राइबल एरिया में, जो आज भी उसका उपयोग कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन एक बात बताइए कि सरकार, कोई भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हो, खासकर कि ऐसे राज्य की जहां पे 30% से ज्यादा लोग ट्राइबल हैं, तो सरकार तो चाहेगी कि हेल्थ केयर जो है ट्राइबल्स तक पहुंचे, या ऐसा व्यवस्था हो कि जो ट्राइबल्स हैं वो हेल्थ केयर तक पहुंचे। खासकर जब इंस्टीट्यूशनल बर्थ्स की बात आती है, जब माँ बच्चे को जन्म देने वाली होती है, तो हर सरकार चाहेगी कि मोर्टेलिटी कम हो और माँ जो है आ सके हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स पे। तो आपको दिख रहा है, वो आपको एफर्ट दिख रहा है कि हाँ, ट्राइबल्स भी ओपन माइंडेड हैं कि गांव में ना बच्चे को जन्म दिया जाए, हेल्थ केयर सेंटर में दे दिया जाए?
नहीं, चिकित्सा का क्षेत्र तो बहुत विस्तार हुआ है, सरकार ने काफी आगे बढ़ा है, सुदूर क्षेत्रों तक है, और आज की ये स्थिति नहीं है कहीं पर भी। इस गवर्नमेंट ने जो काम किया है, उससे मुझे लगता है कि अंतिम छोर तक भी चिकित्सा की सुविधाएं, हॉस्पिटल की व्यवस्था, इस तरह के लगभग सारे क्षेत्रों में पहुंचा हुआ है। और वो पुरानी स्थिति नहीं है कि माँ को कहीं ले जा रहे हैं अस्पताल में और रास्ते में ही जचकी हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है। सभी जगह इस प्रकार की सारी सुविधाएं उपलब्ध हैं। उसके बाद भी लोग, जो मैंने कहा ना, वो पुरानी चिकित्सा पद्धति है जड़ी बूटियों वाला, वो भी संयुक्त रूप में चलता है, जो जानते हैं वो। लेकिन चिकित्सा का सारा प्रबंध सरकार के द्वारा सर्वत्र सुदूर क्षेत्रों तक, आज लगभग कोई क्षेत्र नहीं होगा, वो सुकमा हो, कोंटा हो, सर्वत्र ये चीजें उपलब्ध करा दी गई है, कहीं ऐसी कमी नहीं है।
अच्छा, कमी नहीं है
जी।
और एडुकेशन, देखिए, सब ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज जरूरी है
जी।
बच्चा ट्राइब में, अगर एक किसी ट्राइब में जन्म लेता है तो उसको अपनी ट्राइब के तौर तरीके तो आने ही चाहिए, अपनी लोकल लैंग्वेज आनी ही चाहिए। लेकिन जिस दुनिया में हम रहते हैं, वो बहुत बड़ा कुआं है, और उस बहुत बड़े कुएं में बहुत कुछ है करने को। तो क्या एडुकेशन ट्राइबल बच्चों तक जितनी पहुंचनी चाहिए पहुंच पाई है?
मैं ऐसा देखता हूं कि भाई, शिक्षा और स्वास्थ्य, ये दो व्यक्ति के जीवन के महत्वपूर्ण प्रकल्प हैं, और इस कारण से हमारा दौरा लगभग चलता रहता है।
And that was Mr. Nandakumar Rai at the Mirror Now Summit in Chhattisgarh. But on that note, we are absolutely out of time on this edition of Market Fatafat on ET Now. It's a goodbye from myself, Cheryl, as well as the team who put this show together.